Welcome back to the channel. So to those of you that are yet to subscribe, if you have not subscribed, please make sure you click on the subscribe button, like, share, and also make your comments. Would love to watch out for it. So last week we did analysis on Euro USD, right? We talked about having a bearish move. If you can go back to watch it, you'll see that I told you guys that we will be making a bearish move on Euro USD. So basically, we actually had more than 100 pips movements, right? So we can see to actually add about 150 pips bearish move. And daily, we did daily analysis on Euro USD. We can see that most of our daily analysis was actually correct. So basically, Euro USD actually moved the way we actually predict. So now we would want to know where this price will be moving for this week. One thing we should be watching out for is a bullish move will very much play out this week that we would want to predict from. So when we take a look at this weekly time frame, I've personally aligned some levels which this 20 period moving average. There's every possibility that Euro USD will drop a bit, tap this 20 period moving average, then buy. All what we would want to look for this week is a buy setup, not sell. If price continues to drop, it will be best we actually stay away from the market. It will be best we actually don't place any trade until a buy setup has been played out, until we get a buy setup, then we cannot take that buy. Can we have this buy setup around this 20 period moving average? Very much likely. So if price eventually drops to this our 20 period moving average, we are very much likely to have about 60 pips bearish move to tap our 20 period moving average before it actually go bullish. At the same time, there's every possibility to not drop to that level. We might start having that bullish move, right, on Euro USD. We might just start having bullish move. All this we will have to cover it on. We have to know the entry point, and to be able to enter, know when this price will actually play out. We need to take a look at the fundamental aspect of it. We need to look at the technical aspect of it. Also the sentimental aspect of it. We need to look around and analyze, right. This is one of the reasons why I've actually created my Patreon channel. So if in case you are interested, right, I'm going to give you an update once we get a better setup on taking a trade on Euro USD. I'm going to put a link in the comment section, right? So you can actually check the link in the comment section. Become one of our Patreon subscriber. You'll be able to get an update from us. And especially if you are blowing up your accounts, maybe you're actually taking your trade, you're actually having a losing trade. What I tend to do on this Patreon channel is actually put out, high probability trade. Can see the trade that you actually took yesterday for the 24th, right? We actually did analysis on Nasdaq 100. We talked about hitting a level of 11,900. What happened? Nasdaq 100 hit that level. You can see this level on GBP New Zealand dollar. We talked about having a catching about 270 pips. We actually caught it, and it's actually moved further than that, more than 200 pips, especially those that still held it. We also talked about selling gold. We sold on gold. See the gold analysis. We sold on gold. So basically, most of all this analysis that we did for this week, they are here. If you check the channel below, right, you'll see it. You just see February 20 to 24. These are the trade we actually took for the week. These are 9 trade, right? And I can tell you that we had 85% success in it. I think it was only one loss or two loss trade we actually had, and those losses were very, very small losses. But when you compare it to our win, they were a big win. I mean, you can take a look at this our goal. We had grabbed about 300 pips. If you take a look at our Nasdaq 100, we grabbed the first Nasdaq 100 trade we took, we actually grabbed about 200 pips. Also, the second trade on Nasdaq 100, you can see our WTI. Most of these our trade were actually high. If you take a look at this our USD Chinese yuan, the trade we took, we actually grabbed about 600 pips. So basically, we had more wins. So if in case you are blowing up your account and you want us to actually, you want to get a better trade, all you just have to do is sign up. You are going to get a better trade. So back to my analysis on this Euro USD. So down to the daily time frame. Like I said, if in case Euro USD will drop, we are not interested in that movement. We are not to sell. All what we would want to do on Euro USD is actually to go bullish. So that is the setup we want to look at. This bullish move can very much break above this 10 period simple moving average. Have it in mind. You are very much likely to hit this, go bullish. break above it, and possibly tap this 20 period simple moving average if there will be more volatility this week. Those I'm going to give you an update if you are interested in it. We have to take a look at the fundamental aspect of it, the news that will be coming out, what type of news, can the news change the direction, everything. We are going to look at it and post it in the channel, so in the Patreon channel. So if in case you are interested, sign up to it, you get an update. So back to this my analysis. Like I said, we will be expecting a bullish move. If price drops, we are not interested in the drop, we are to go long. So you can see it's now price is still dropping, right? You can see where maybe probably one more correction can play out. I'm not trying to say that a correction will play out, but let's see if in case a correction plays out, then maybe probably one last drop will be made, to tap this my level that I said. If in case it will go, then once it can drop and tap this level, then all we'll start looking out for on Euro US is actually that bullish move. So personally, I'll see probably we should be able to take out this level. I think so. I'm not really sure. But as time plays out with the news coming out, we are going to know. We can even come to tap this level and break above itself. Price can, it just depends on the volatility or the movements will be made this week. Or we are going to cover the entry points. Like I said, be very, very careful before you enter. If in case you need an entry point, you can sign up. And if in case you need other trade, high probability trade, not just anyhow trade that you have 70 to 90% chance of winning such trade, sign up to the channel so you'll be able to get an update from us. By the way, so I'll be watching out for it. The link will be in the comments section.